So it seems miners have stopped selling and started accumulating once again. Bitcoin price bounced perfectly off the difficulty regression model at $17,600. This reflects the best estimate all-in sustaining cost to mine Bitcoin. So this video is primarily aimed at miners out there, but we're also going to do a bit of a quant price prediction on the side. Subscriber requested, of course. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, do click on through to that subscribe button, because I will be sticking around through the bear market. So we can see Bitcoin returned to test its cost of production, as all commodity do in bear markets. As we see here, this is the chart that we're looking at over time. The difficulty regression model has come back down and the price has retested this particular area, just like it did in May 2018 when we had basically the beginning of the long-term crypto winter after the 2017 bull run. Just to make this image a little bit clearer and bigger for you, if you want to have a look, I am just going to show it here as well. As we can see, as time goes on, it does effectively the average value or the regression model is increasing more and more, so it's becoming more difficult, and the hash rate is also increasing too. So very, very interesting. As we see, the difficulty is a measurement of how difficult it is to mine a Bitcoin block, or in technical terms, to find a hash below a given target. So this is very, very interesting to see. There's another little image right here I just want to show you. Bitcoin miner net position change. Miners accumulating once again. As we see from the Q1 of 2022, May was primarily a really, really bad month. We saw a lot of selling, and this is where the selling has just stopped and the miners have began accumulating once again. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to see a bit of a reversal. Was that the potential bottom for Bitcoin? We're not entirely sure, but I think there's still a very, very good chance that we're getting close to the bottom now, even though it could be a bottom that does last a long time, as we do have a lot of accumulation and a crypto winter potentially ahead of us. If you want to look at the best 8 places you can mine cryptocurrency today, do head on down to the description below or in the comment section and click on through, because there's a really nice article based on the 8 different areas that you can actually do this. So we're going to look at quant today, just jumping in $56.42. We're up 18% on that daily time frame, looking at a $681 million market cap. So things are looking a bit juicy at the moment as we get that 16% pump on the total volume side of things. Of course, market capital looking retrospectively, we are still down quite a lot from that 4.75 billion area, and ever since it's just been a constant downtrend, moving down in price, lower and lower, even all the way back down to that 600 million level like we're just at right now. So it doesn't look incredible, but we are starting to see these areas where we can reaccumulate. So just quickly looking at the weekly time frame here, just so we can see what happened. Of course, we had the distribution, we had this horizontal channel that we lost support from. Following then, we just saw loads of weekly candles, 3, 6, 9, 11 weekly candles. We finally got our second green weekly candle in a row. Last week's candle did look relatively good for Bitcoin. So daily time frame, how we're looking, RSI is good, lots of volume coming in, and it's nice to see that we got this reversal and we retested this key area of resistance right here. We did get the rejection, but we could be effectively on the way back up in to this basically the horizontal channel, which is a consolidation pattern. Of course, the 200-week moving average Bitcoin crash did create this wipeout and this capitulation, which is why we've seen this cup shape forming here. So it could effectively also be a bit of a cup and handle if we do form a handle here on the right hand side. I don't think we are going to on this instance, but we have written this $56 level back into support, which is also very nice to see. For our time frame, we're leaning against overbought on the RSI. As you see, the last time we were overbought was around here on the 30th of May. We did see a slight pullback in price when that did happen, so I would expect also seeing a small pullback in price for the time being. Not necessarily a big pullback in price, but we could come down to maybe, $52 or $51 in the meantime, as we just steam off and cool off a little bit from the rally that we've just witnessed. Hourly time frame, again, we're putting through higher lows at the same time, so we've got a bit of a symmetrical triangle forming here actually on this particular hourly time frame. So I would be keeping my eyes on it, because if we do break to the outside of this symmetrical triangle here, we got a nice technical target by measuring the depth of this symmetrical triangle. We'd be looking at coming back into our channel at around $64, so there's an 11% long position there. Of course, on the contrary, we could actually lose a support here, which is going to be around $56.01. That would take us all the way back down to about $48 here for our friend Quant, though I think would be more likely to find support around one of these lower wicks, looking at $54, and especially this $51 range here, where we've got a lot of support written in. So I'm looking out for the bullish reversal. I think it's very likely that we might get this wave occur, but it's been a lot of green, a lot of euphoria over the last 48 hours or so, so we should at least wait until things cool down a little bit. But yeah, this is a key area for accumulation right now. If it is going to be the bottom for Quant, obviously we put through a $41 low with the Terra Luna FUD event. Sorry, that was on the 12th of May. So the 12th of May was the $57 low, and this one here has been the lower low of 47. So this could effectively be the bottom here now for Quant. Crypto bubbles today, how are we looking? We're looking extremely good, actually. Everything is green. Hooray. Green bubbles. We never get this in crypto, especially not in bear markets. So everything is green. That means we're getting excited, euphoric once again. Do expect rejection at all upcoming resistance levels. Assume the trend is still macro downtrend. We can see Link up 14%, ETH up 9%, Bitcoin 7%, Avalanche up 17% today. So we've got some real big pumpers in the market as the market flips back into a bit of an altcoin season. Not so much because it's just 29 on this index, but it does show that Bitcoin is finally making its move and possibly even consolidating at these particular levels. I do want to share with you this chart here. You're probably very familiar with it. Basically the Bitcoin rainbow chart, logarithmic regression band. Why is this important? Well, every time we're in the green zone, like here and all the way through here, we are effectively in a fire sale. So like, bargain basement, sort of low cost, whatever. So crypto is at its fair value once again. Good for dollar cost averaging, perhaps even building a long-term hodl portfolio as well for the future, because now we're sitting at $20,000, just like we did with the COVID-19 crash at $5,000, and also following the 2017 bull run at $3,000. The opportunity, the upside potential is just the same, if not even bigger, as global adoption is still nowhere near. I'm really bullish on crypto at these prices. It's hard not to be because it's now so low cost in contrast to the euphoric overbought prices from all the Elon Musk pump, from the stimulus check pumps. We're finally starting to see what the true value of Bitcoin is without all the euphoria, hype and greed attached. Now this is what really reflects the value of the asset, is its fair value in the bear market phase. So I personally think it's a good time to get grabbing that cryptocurrency today. If you want to buy crypto, use the link down in the description below. Go click on through, do it right now guys. It's not financial advice, but all you gotta do is click that link, open that potential exchange today, grab some Bitcoin, grab some Quant, get those blue chip projects today whilst they're nice and low cost. Just want to say guys, make sure you join the Discord channel too. In the description, it's about 300 people in there at the moment, no strings attached, people from all skill levels. Just come in, say hello and just share your journey, or let us know some interesting things about cryptocurrency and share your own insights. Just my way of saying thank you to all holders. And if you do want to become a patron to my channel as well, just £8 a month, which is basically the price of coffee and a few snacks, or you can go for the lower cost options as well. I will be doing lots of trading signals, and I have already put quite a few through here on the Discord should you be interested in those. We've got spot trades, we've also got some leverage trades as well, so some people have already made some pretty good money. So if you want to be part of that, feel free to do so. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel, like, comment down below, leave suggestions, and yeah, do all those YouTube thingies. I appreciate the views guys, it means so much. Stay crypto safe, make sure you're always doing your own research, and do not fall for any manipulations or social media that is trying to scare you out of your cryptocurrency. Bye for now.